I'll be sharing you our 7-day Taiwan itinerary. We spent the first 3 days in Taipei a slow pace with time to rest and really enjoy the experience. We explored Ximending and Rauhe Night Market. We went coffee hopping, took a night trip to Jufen, we hiked Elephant Mountain, and had yakiniku in Taipei. On day 4, we traveled to Chiayi and stayed overnight and then headed to Alishan Forest the next day. We went back to Taipei on the day 6 and on the day 7, we went home. I work as a nurse in Singapore and on my short vacation, I want to bring my family to Taiwan. I flew from Singapore to Taiwan and my family will be coming from Manila. I will be meeting them in Taiyuan Airport. After going through the immigration, the first thing I did, I bought a SIM card with 5 gig unlimited data for 7 days. For the 4 of us, we decided to buy 2 SIM cards only to save money. It worked out perfectly since we could just share the connection using hotspot. There's a free Wi-Fi in the airport, so staying connected was easy while you are inside the airport. Hello! Diyan na sila! Ano na kami? Ito gagawin na natin. Let's go! Doon, palabas na tayo. Exit. Z. M5. Either M5 or Z. Ayan yung hotel natin, oh. Z2. Tayo lumabas sa Z2. Doon na tayo mismo sa tapat ng hotel. May night market.
Oh, this is the life.
Meron pang ano,
Wow! Ganito pa, ha?
may bintana. Uy, kaharap yung ano, main station. May blower din. May bathtub pa. Aray, Japanese style, ah. Yan. May free coffee. Tapos microwave. Tara.
Kiss nga lang talaga.
Taipei. Eto yung Xilingji.
Please, picture mo ako.
Nakapicturean mo nga si Kuya. Napicturean na kita.
Huwag mo ipopost yan, ma. Sabi ko,
Pop. Tayo. Sugar cane.
iba-iba. Yung mochi na ganun, mama. Sa SM mo mabibili yun. Pag makakita ka ng ganun.
Dito.
Hindi sa black market eh.
Dito, galing na ba tayo dito? Okay. Gusto mo ba magpa-picture, Lance? Gusto mo yata mag-picture eh. Banana line.
Maganda naman ito.
Patingin nga ng mochi na. Grabe, no?
Hmm.
Dapat wala dalaw binili natin yan, no?
Ikaw tayo magsabi sa iyo.
Ano ba yan?